Up the excavator again. Sorry. Whoa. Look at that thing. That thing is as big as the excavator. The tree remains. Whatever you want to call it. That guy better move. That guy in the gray shirt. There. They should just roll it over into the fire pit. What if he tried to dig the dirt, like, off the roots, and it, like, picked it up like it was stuck in the dirt? It's about ready to throw that. Oh, wow. There goes the chainsaw guy. The gray shirt guy is what I was calling him. Don't know where he went. There he is. They're communicating on what to do next, I believe. Of course, now I gotta move back because the flowers are in the way. Pretty flowers, just in the way. There, he's turning it around. We can see now. That's not why he turned it around. What is he doing? Now they're lifted up the front of the excavator. That's not the biggest excavator that they have, I don't believe, that Marchands have. Marchands is the family that owns this property. Not the property I'm sitting on, but across the road. I'd like to see inside that house. It's probably pretty inside. This would have been the ideal place for, you know, somebody that, was looking for a good sized house, but not a great big house, and lots of trees, and a big barn. That's what this property was. That big pile was the barn. Then there was a garage right where that tree is, a wooden garage. And then where the backhoe is, right, put my finger right there, where that backhoe is, there was a little shed, I guess you'd call it. Okay, he's just cutting now, so I think I'm gonna put the camera down.